How's y'all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, me and Walter just got back from Walmart. We had to get some food in the house. Y'all know all those ribs I fixed yesterday are gone. Walter told me this morning. I think it's a half a bone left. Y'all see this look on my face? But anyway, after I shopped, I didn't feel like coming home to cook. So, I stopped at BEGGARS Pizza. Let me show y'all. Okay, this is a very good pizza place that we go to in the south suburbs. So this is the deep dish. And they load it with cheese, sausage, sauce, and it's seasoned perfectly. Yum, yum, yum. So, if you like this little short, what I'm going to eat tonight video, then give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. I went to the store and had no wig on, and this is my no makeup look. Okay? Bye.